Welcome to Debug Podcast. This is Osudisha here. This podcast is about web design and development using Drupal, my passion, butterfly photography, citizen science project, and digital marketing. This is episode number 1. Let's get started. Hey guys, how are you? Hope you're doing good. This podcast is recorded on 16 June 2020. Post lockdown, slowly everything is opening up. Here, even COVID cases are increasing, but people have started coming out. We need to start living with COVID, and that's the reality now. Okay, today I'm thinking of sharing my thoughts on inbound marketing, some comparison with traditional marketing, and in this tough time, how we can utilize this knowledge and get leads to your business. Times have changed and internet has changed the business process. Before, marketers used to reach customers through print advertising, television advertising, trade shows, etc. But now going to customers and selling is thing of past, which we call it outbound marketing. Now, powerful marketing is inbound marketing, where customers do their purchase decision by searching on the Google. So now your website should be on Google. That's two on first page. Once customer find you on Google, you or your website must make feel like purchasing or contacting you. This type of marketing is inbound marketing. Inbound marketing strategy is aligning your business to your customers' buying decisions online. Strategy of inbound marketing is to publish, optimize, and promote content by using one content management system, two by writing blogs, three by publishing content in social media, four by doing search engine optimization activities like on page optimization, off page optimization, link building, etc. Fifth, analyzing the traffic using analytical tools. Once you found on Google and you get visitors, but visitors needs to be converted as leads, which can be done by using the tools and techniques such as landing pages, email automation, sales funnel, lead management, call to action buttons, etc. As an inbound marketer, you need to attract more people to your site, convert the traffic into leads, nurture those leads into trust, and that trust will make them your customers. Traditionally, marketers used to do marketing activities like telemarketing, billboard advertising, trade shows, networking, etc. Here, focus was just on building brands. But now, in inbound marketing, site visitors will be coming in search of you using internet and get in touch with you. Some of the inbound marketing methods which you can use to get more visitors to your sites are blogging, podcasts, content creation, automated emails for lead nurturing. When visitors search for a product or service on Google, your website should be on first page, preferably on first link. You need to get to first page or on first link on specific keywords organically. Organic results are credible with less or no cost, which gets you more visitors to your site. Paid results you can get by doing Google Ads, Facebook ads, etc. It's like pay per click PPC, where you pay whenever there is a click on your ad. For Google to recognize your site and rank your website needs to be SEO friendly. Some of the activities you need to be doing are on page optimization and off page optimization. Let's see what is on page optimization. On page optimization is like you need to make your web page search engine friendly by including title tags, placing keywords on S2, H1, H2, H3 heading tags, placing the keywords on your website content, adding alt text for your images, then making your website responsive, that is mobile friendly with good speed. That is, website has to be completely load with within 2 to 3 seconds. All this help to rank your website to first page for specific keywords depending upon the competition of the keywords. If some websites have already on first page for some keywords, you have to outrank them. Off page optimization is like link building, which has to be done. Link building is getting traffic from some other credible and trustworthy site. You get your website link on other websites is by writing a blog post, reviewing a product, etc. When you start writing good blogs on your website, others will start referring your link on their article, which in turn you'll get traffic from their website. There are many activities like good content creation, promoting the content, being active in social media by going live, etc., which hopefully I can cover in my next podcast. If you like this podcast, share and subscribe it. Okay. Thank you for tuning in and listening to my podcast. Thanks, guys. See you in next episode. Thank you.